As we navigate the economic landscape of 2026, the global real estate market has shifted from simple home ownership to a strategic hunt for tax efficiency, high rental yields, and residency benefits. The first powerhouse on the list remains the United Arab Emirates, specifically Dubai. With a tax-free environment, world-class infrastructure, and a golden visa program that is easier to access than ever, Dubai has become the primary destination for ultra-high net worth individuals looking for a 10% net rental return. Moving across the globe, the United States continues to dominate, but the focus has shifted from New York to pro-business states like Florida and Texas. Cities like Miami and Austin are seeing unprecedented growth as domestic and international capital flows into markets with no state income tax and a booming tech scene. In Europe, Spain has emerged as the top contender for those seeking a balance between lifestyle and capital appreciation. The Spanish Digital Nomad visa and the revamped Golden Visa laws have made cities like Madrid and Malaga hotspots for international buyers looking for stable long-term growth in a Mediterranean climate. For investors seeking high-yield opportunities with a lower entry point, Turkey remains a strategic choice, especially in Istanbul's luxury segment. The Turkish Citizenship by Investment program continues to be a major pull for investors from the Middle East and Asia, offering a unique bridge between Eastern and Western markets. Finally, the United Kingdom, particularly Manchester and Birmingham, is outperforming London in terms of percentage growth. While London remains a safe haven for preserving wealth, these secondary UK cities are offering much higher rental yields due to a massive shortage of luxury housing for young professionals. In 2026, success in real estate is no longer about buying where you live, it is about deploying capital in jurisdictions that offer the best combination of legal protection, tax incentives, and future-proof demand.